Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. So take the hairs and then make the plaits on the hairs like this as shown in the video. Take the hairs from the sides in the small section. Now pull out the hairs from the sides like this. Now after that, we'll be again taking the hairs further till the end like this in the same manner and pull out the hairs in the small sections and fix it. Now fold it upward. Take the hairs from the sides and then make the plaits on both the sides like this by joining the hairs. Now fix them and it's ready. Next, take small section of the hairs and make the plaits on it and then leave small sections one by one like this. Join the hairs on the back, now divide it from the between, rotate it and fold it upward like this. Now fix it after rotating it and your hairstyle is ready. Or you can further make the plaits on the hairs by joining it till the end like this from both these sides. Join the small sections one by one and it's done. Next, make the plaits on the hairs, make a ponytail and then rotate it. Fix the hairs together into each other. Tie them like this together and put the hairpin. Now make the plaits on all the hairs like this till the end. Now after that, tie it using a rubber band and fold it upward and fix it using the bun pin like this and your hairstyle is ready. Next, make the plaits on the hairs and then fold it like this on both the side and fix it on the top using the hairpin like this. Follow the same step for the other side as well. Fold it like this, roll it carefully and fix it on the top. Now fix it from the sides by joining the plaited hairs on the top. Roll it like this and fix it. Put the hairpin and it's ready. Next, we'll be taking this net and fix it on the ponytail. Now roll the hairs upward and fix it in the half using a rubber band. Now roll rest of the hairs like this. Fold the hairs around and put the hairpin on the top like this to fix the hairs and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll be taking the hairs like this and join it on the side and then rotate it. Now tie all the hairs, divide it from the between, fold it upward like this and then rotate it. Put the hairpin on the hairs and put this bun pin and fix it tightly and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, make a ponytail, fix this bun stick. Now roll the hairs around it after dividing it into two parts and again roll it like this. Now fix the hairs and then fold it one by one. Put the rubber band and tie it by folding it down. Put the hairpin and fix the hairs like this and your hairstyle is ready. Next, make the plaits on the hairs by taking it from both the sides. Join the small section of the hairs which we kept aside and join it till the end. Tie it at the end and fix it using the hairpins or the hair clips and your hairstyle is ready. Next, fix this band on the hairs, tie a ponytail using it like this, roll it around the hairs and fix it on the other side. Now fold the hairs on the top and fix the hairpin like this, tie it tightly as shown in the video. Fold the hairs carefully and make a bun using this band and your hairstyle is done. Next, fix half of the hairs in the between like this. Now spread it and put the stick in the between like this. Now after fixing the hairs, take rest of the hairs and then rotate it like this. Take small section and rotate it using the hairstyling tool. Now after rotating it, fix it and it's done. Next, tie the hairs on the back by taking the small sections. Now repeat the process for a few more times. You have to fix the hairs in the same manner on the back. Keep repeating the process. Now we'll be taking the hairs together and fix it and your hairstyle is done. Next, take the hairs and roll it using this bun stick. Make a bun out of it by fixing it on the top and your hairstyle is done. Or you can fix more sticks as well. Next, take the hair, roll it with the fingers on the top like this. Fold it carefully and then put the bun pin on the side like this. Fix it tightly as shown in the video and your hairstyle is ready. You can put some beautiful hairpins on the hairs too. Next, take a hair and take this bun pin and fold it along with it and fix it on the top and it's done. Thanks for watching our video.